Are you tired of scattered Klaviyo tutorials that waste your time? The official Help Center has a complete learning hub. Follow these 5 simple clicks to start mastering Klaviyo in under 2 minutes. We'll start by clicking on Support, then Help Center, then drill down through Campaigns to Email Campaigns, and finally land on the Subject Line Assistant tool. Start by clicking on Support. Then click on Help Center. Now click on Campaigns in the Help Center. From there, click on Email Campaigns. Next, open the article titled How to Use Klaviyo's Subject Line Assistant. Scroll down and start learning from the guide. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.